When you need a strong and reliable joint, a dowel jointer is an excellent solution. And with the Triton TDJ600 being a duo dowel jointer, you can cut 2 dowel holes at once, giving you twice the strength in half the time. Fully adjustable and built for precision, the TDJ600 is designed to create edge-to-edge joints that are both tough and perfectly aligned. Works with a range of thicknesses and angles and is compatible with a range of drill bit sizes, so you can select the dowel size that best suits your project. A dependable 710 watt motor delivers power effectively and has enough grunt to drill into even the hardest woods with ease. Being a duo doweling jointer, it's able to drill 2 holes with 32mm centers in a single action, making working on larger workpieces quicker and more efficient. You can choose from 8, 10 or 12mm drill bits, so you can work with a range of different dowels depending on your project. The adjustable fence with a drilling angle of 0 to 90 degrees allows for a range of reliable and accurate angled joints, perfect for performing miters. Quick, accurate adjustment of material thickness is easy with the rack and pinion mechanism, whilst the clear 3-line viewer enables precise setup and execution. Variable drill depth adjustment from 0 to 38mm gives you plenty of options, meaning you can place your dowels exactly where you need them. A front bail handle with tool storage gives you better control and a smooth sliding action during drilling. Jig teeth help you create repeatable, accurate results without constant remeasuring. Ideal when working on larger joints in a bigger project. With an integrated dust extraction port of 31.8mm inner and 38mm outer diameter, the TDJ600 pulls dust straight from the drilling area, giving you a cleaner, safer workspace. Has a 710 watt motor, dowel spacing of 32mm centers, 0 to 90 degree doweling angle, height adjustment from 9 to 43mm, a drilling depth of 0 to 38mm, weighing less than 3 kilograms, and a no load speed of 17,000 revolutions per minute. When you need fast, accurate and professional joinery, the Triton TDJ600 Duo Dowel Jointer gives you the power, precision and flexibility to deliver. Stronger joints, less fuss and more time spent creating.